In today's video, we are going to show you how to manage your server services. You just need to click on the Services tab. These are the services which sometimes you need to reload or restart to changes take effect, like you update any code, and if you think it is not reloading, you need to restart the web layer or done some updates or add some fields in the table which require a database restart. You can perform this restart from here. Or if there is any disaster, you need to restart these services, you can use this. First of all, I'm gonna show you how you restart your server. Just click on restart. It will take a few seconds to restart your server database. See, a database service has been restarted, and same goes for the web service. You need to click on this restart web service. It will restart your web layer of your server. It will take under 1 minute to alert you. So this is how you manage your server services. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.